Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video is creative and many way beneficial for you. So I have request that kindly watch the video till end so that you could get all stylish, trendy and amazing ideas. Friends, my today's video is 2-in-1, 3-in-1, 4-in-1 or 5-in-1. We cannot count or say that how many different ways you can utilize my today's video. So I am again emphasizing that watch the video till end so that you could get all the creative and amazing ideas. Friends, from my today's video you can get stylish and trendy amazing ideas related to unique patterns, unique styling and unique design ideas of dress designing, unique embroidery patterns, unique handmade hand art ideas, because my today's video is entirely based upon hand embroidered shirts, kurti, kameez, tops, frocks, gowns, entirely based on sleeve embroidery designs. Friends, this video is beneficial in different ways, that is the girls who used to wear hijab or the girls who used to take dupatta, stoller or scarves. Then this video is absolutely for them, because most of the times when we wear dupatta, scarf, hijab or any type of stole, then our neckline design ideas or a neckline, heavy neckline embroidered based dress doesn't show that much beauty, style and elegance. So sleeves embroidery patterns is a sure way to flaunt, to show off your beautiful and decent touch of embroidery dress. Yes friends, and from today's video you can not only get designing ideas related to hand embroidery, but you can also see how you can design your dresses by the art of stitching as well. You can also get creative different type of design ideas related to stitching as well. That is, you can make bell bottom full flared sleeves, you can make smoky sleeves, you can make frill based sleeves, you can design by giving a touch of some sort of cuts by using different type of pleats, by using some buttons, beads and pearls as well. Different type of creative, stylish and amazing ideas have been shared with you by a very beautiful color combination of threads and very beautiful ideas with a very decent touch of lace designing as well. So I hope that you found my today's video creative and useful, and if you really like my today's video, don't forget to like, and if you are new to my channel or watching my video for the very first time, then don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And if you want me to share some more creative, unique or any type of design ideas related to your choices, interests or trending fashion in your state, country or region, then do share with me in the comment section so that I can share in my upcoming videos with you.